Hey, my name's Jason. Today I'm going to be going through the Zojirushi CD-LFC50 as well as its little brother, the 30. They're basically the same unit except for the size. The smaller one, the 30, is going to be 3 liters and the larger one is going to be 5 liters. Now, to take a look at the actual size difference, it looks like the small 3-liter one is roughly about 10 inches or 25 centimeters, and the tall one up here is going to be about 33 centimeters or about 13 inches. With the lids open, the 3-liter sits around 17 inches or about 43 centimeters, and the tall one sits at 51 centimeters or a little over 20 inches. This is kind of important to know because most cabinets from countertop to the bottom of the cabinet is going to be roughly around 17 to 18 inches. So if you're going to be keeping this directly under the countertop and underneath the actual cabinets and you need this to be open all the way, the smaller one's going to be the one for you. If you've got another spot for it and it's not going to be sitting underneath a countertop, this is going to be just fine. Since they both have the same functions, I'm just going to use this smaller one as the reference for just about everything. To open the lid, you're going to push down on here and you're going to be able to open this up. There is a little button right here where you can release, and this is going to allow the lid to come completely off and allow that to release. That way, if you want to, when you disconnect it, you can empty it and actually pour it from this side here, and you can also take this thing over to the sink and fill it up. Now, I usually, if I'm going to fill it up from the unit itself, I'll go ahead and keep the lid on. Now, when you are going to fill it up, back here is the magnetic piece that's going to connect it in, and all it does is it connects in, and now we've got power. Right now it says that it's 70 degrees. It's already on reboil. I'm going to go ahead and unplug since I don't have any water in it. Now the temp set, you're going to have some different settings. You're going to have 160 degrees, 175. Default is going to be 195 or 208. You can also reboil the water, especially if you're going to have it sit for a while. You can reboil it every once in a while. You can also have a timer for it to automatically turn off so it doesn't have to stay on all the time. I do keep mine on all the time because I work from home and I use this thing for absolutely everything. To unlock it, you're going to press the unlock button and then you press the dispense. Now, if you want the dispense to go a little bit slower, you can press the unlock and hold it and it'll come out slower versus just coming out at full bore. Now, right here on the front, when you put the water in, you're going to be able to see the water level right here. So it goes up to 2, 2.5, and then you kind of can't see the up to 3. It does have a swivel base, so when it's sitting here, it swivels really nicely. It's also got this little go handle and you can pick it up and go. This has been really nice. Now, I usually use this small one in our RV. I use the big one in our main house. But it's really nice, like if I'm going into with RV, I went to my uncle's house, just pick it up, and I was able to take it into his house when I was cooking and stuff like that, so I didn't have to cook in the RV. But yeah, this thing has been really, really nice. It's got a non-stick coating on the inside, super easy to clean. It's got a little catch filter down there if you had any big particulates. It has got this rubber seal here. This brand has been absolutely amazing, and I really like that it's got the magnetic versus the push pin in for the connection. Super easy to get it connected and then super easy to disconnect. I also like that throughout their brand they use the same plugs for all of these units.